To feel like dreaming, we always woke up, never thought that healthy. Here now the hurts so bad. Tonight I'm falling, I can't get up. I need your loving hand to come and pick me up.
Woo! Idol!
Know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight.
Nasa kanya na yan kung
I remember the time you told me about me, and all those things you said that I just spewed away. I remember to call you, well I seen it in the games we would play, all the times we spilled our coffees and stayed out way too late. I remember the time you said it, told me about your
Tuyo.
Jesus. How
May bulalo. Bulalo, tuyuan na. Patay natin. Tuyuan na, oh. Sabaw. Boss, sunog. Sunog. Ay, Kobo. Panalo. Diba? Ito yung dorm nila, oh. May basketball court. Tapos, dito yung tambayan. Kubo-kubo.
At yakapin mo, at sa tuwing ka'y naalala ko, ako napapating sa taas, at tangan ko'y ay hawakan mo, hawakan mo, hawakan ngayong gabi.
Nabago. Yun, kaming ano.
Lips on. Akana. Yan.
Yun, kaming laptop.
Second boy.
Laptop. Wait, say let's go! Let's go!
Panalo ka na. Thank you.
Boss, oh.
Thank
Boss
you
Dave.
ng marami.
Boss Dave.
Hindi lang sa...
Bagong tropa.
Thank you naman.
Samahan.
Okay, siyempre. Basta
Let's go! Bye!